Hey guys, welcome to Texanium. In this video, we are gonna do the unboxing of the brand new Dragon War XQ2. So let's get started by opening this wonderful box. So from here we can just open this box and we have to just cross the seal. I have already opened that. When you open this box, you first see that we have two major things. The keyboard is there and the second thing is the mouse is there. You can see one simple cardboard is there showing that professional gaming is somewhat. And let's see what the mouse looks like. Basically this is the advanced version and you can see that this mouse actually comes up with the golden plated USB. That is the USB that we have to input in our computer. So let's see the mouse. So guys, this is our mouse and it really looks very fantastic. And basically it has a nice look. Here it has the laser sensor and several different and many other features also. Here we have the left click button. Here we have the right click button. Here we have the scroll. We can scroll it, and here we have the scroll click button, and the DPI button is also there. By the way, we get the two buttons also on the side. So that's all in this mouse. Now basically, while talking about the quality of the mouse, this mouse really looks very professional and really look very expensive, because whenever we touch this mouse it feels very nice and very expensive. Literally it has a leather feel, and whenever we turn off it or turn on it, it just glow up the 7 different LEDs. While moving forward, we have this nice keyboard that we got with this pack, and here again it is the golden plated USB as same as that of the mouse. So from here we can see we have the color changing button. Basically this keyboard comes up with the 3 different colors: red, blue and purple. Here we have the 3 buttons, the number, the caps lock and the Windows lock button is also present, which is important while playing the games, and it is especially for gamers. So when looking at the back, we can see we get this stands. Basically this stands hides up the keyboard, which is important whenever we type. So while talking about the quality of this keyboard also feels very professional, and it also seems out to be very really leather look and leather feel. By the way, its keys are really mechanical and produces the sound. That's the only drawback of this. Otherwise this keyboard is fantastic and it really looks very fabulous. So while moving forward, I'm just gonna connect this keyboard and this mouse with the laptop. So you have to directly plug and play. Work is there. You have to just input that, and you can see the mouse has got started and the LED inside the mouse is blinking. Similarly, I'm gonna connect this keyboard also. So you can see the keyboard is got turned on and red color LEDs are blinking in the keyboard. So basically here we have the color changing. We get the red, blue and purple color, which looks very nice in case of the dark, and it is very important if we want to use this keyboard in night for our official works or while in case of playing games. So from here you can see I have connected these guys, and here we have the buttons, and the keyboard really works very nice. Here we have the Windows key. When I press this Windows key, really the functions occurs very fastly. You can see this, it occurs in very fast. It never no single delay we can see in this, and the mouse also looks very nice, pretty cool. And here I have opened the Office Word. Let's type something. So the buttons are really mechanical, as I told you guys. So only drawback is that they produce a sound. Otherwise the whole setup is very nice.